Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today, we're doing chorizo con huevos. That's right, it's a breakfast video. You're gonna like it. I know I'm gonna like it. I guess stay tuned, check it out. So chorizo con huevos, what is it? Well, it's a typical Mexican breakfast sausage, and you can eat it just about any time of the day. Don't get me wrong. It's not just for breakfast, but it is a Mexican style sausage, and I grew up with it. We grew up eating, chorizo con huevos, or this type of Mexican sausage with eggs, in a rolled up corn tortilla. It's a fantastic breakfast meal, and it's super easy to make. If you get a chance and you're at Publix or a grocery store and you happen to go through the international aisle or the Mexican aisle, I guess the meat department, where the butcher's at, it's where you will probably find it, where they got all the other sausages at. It is uncooked, but anyway, let's go ahead and get it started. And the way my mom would do it, she would take the chorizo like this and take it out of the casing. And I, just like that, just cut right through it and open it up and take the meat out of it. So just drop it right there. And I got a few of them here. I'm going to do maybe 3 of them. And all you got to do really is just, and you can cook it in the casing if you want, but when we're doing chorizo with huevos, you gotta take the casing off. I'm gonna do 3 of them. I like this stuff. There we go. Want to get it mashed up. Just like that. Oh yeah. The chorizo that I've seen that my mom would use was a lot stronger than this. I don't know how they make it, but I guess it's a lot redder, and you can definitely smell the vinegar. It's got a lot of vinegar in it, and paprika and other types of spices that I'm not sure what they are, but we're gonna cook this up, make us some taquitos. We get that sausage right there cooked up. Yeah, it looks good. And then we're gonna make us some breakfast tacos. I got some beans over here on the side that I'm warming up. But if you get a chance and you go to Publix, not that I'm sponsoring Publix, Publix don't pay me for nothing, but that's my grocery store. That's where I go, buy my groceries. Publix, Winn-Dixie, you name it. Those are the 2 major ones that are here. There we go. It's getting there. So we'll let that cook up a little bit more, and then we're gonna start throwing the eggs in it. There we go, guys. Got my eggs scrambled over here. And that's how you normally want to do it. You want to scramble your eggs. And I got some tortillas over here warming up. We get these bad boys flipped before they burn on me or something. And we get these eggs poured right on there. Just like that. Woo, don't get away from me. Good thing I got that thing over there. There you go. Oh, my egg went down into the bottom. That's okay, into the trough. I should have poured it in slowly. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be real good. That looks good. Oh my gosh. My mouth is watering. Just look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks. So I got 3 sausages and about 6 eggs in here. This should be enough to feed the family. family of 4, or if you got guests over, like, cousins or something, visiting, probably the simplest meal you can make, At least my mom would make this. Anytime my cousins were visiting, or family, quick little breakfast, chorizo con huevos, can't go wrong. There we go. Get these bad boys flipped a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off because this thing is done. Let's make us up a taco. I'm gonna just use this one right here. Nice and toasty. Oh yeah. And gotta have a little bit of frijolitos in it. And these beans are done. We're just gonna put a little bit beans. Because here's what we're gonna put in it. Oh yeah, just look at that. That looks so good. Just look at that taco right there. Oh my gosh. I gotta give you a better angle. Look at that. Look at that right there. Chorizo con huevos, guys. Wonderful. Just give it a bite. I gotta blow on it because it's gonna be hot. It won't be too freaking hot. Too freaking hot. Here we go. Wonderful breakfast, guys. It's not as strong as the chorizo that I've had back home in Texas or back home when my mom and my uncle would make it, but you can definitely get that taste of the chorizo spices and seasonings in it. Just get us another little bite. This is good. This is really, really good. I'm loving it. Loving it. Breakfast, chorizo con huevos, you can't go wrong. Super easy. I did this in about 15 minutes. It took me longer to set up the cameras than it did to do the breakfast. So if you ever get a chance and you're at Publix and you see this chorizo over there in the butcher area, or ask them for it. Say, hey, I'm looking for some Mexican chorizo or some, sausage. And if they got it, you gotta give this this recipe a try. Super easy. Chorizo con huevos tortillas, and you gotta eat it with corn tortilla. You can eat it with whatever you want. It's your appetite. You're satisfying, but traditionally it's corn tortillas. You want to use flour? Use flour. Me, this reminds me of back home with mom. Thanks, mom. Chorizo con huevos. I love it. Good. I'm gonna eat another one, guys. Guys, don't ever talk with your mouth full. If you like these videos, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button right there. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Super easy breakfast. If you're interested in any of the products that I sell, go out and visit my website. It's where I sell all my products that help support this channel. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like this and want to participate and help support the channel, visit my Patreon page. But besides that, guys, I appreciate you guys very much. And I want to thank Bentley, Maria Valderas, Sam Santos, Leticia Vallejo, Billy Walsh, and Brian Gutierrez. Love you guys. Appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.